Hi, I'm Sally Galloway from nutrition-counseling.com and the owner of the Center for Health and Harmony. I'm a health and nutrition coach and a massage therapist, and people ask me frequently what's the difference between holistic nutrition and what a registered dietitian does. What do I do that's different? Well, I had a conversation yesterday with a young lady who is in her 30s and she's pregnant. And she was talking to me about what she can eat so that she doesn't gain too much weight because she's already at the top of what you're supposed to gain when you are pregnant, and she's just a few months along. So we were talking about what food choices she makes and what her goals are. And what the difference is between me and a registered dietitian is that a registered dietitian, and I know this because I've been to them and I've talked to them, is that they have rules and guidelines that they have to stay within, boundaries that they have to stay within in order to be compliant and to work within their license as a registered dietitian. Their 4-year degree and their clinical internship are very specific, and when they speak with clients, my experience anyway with two registered dietitians, 3, is that they were able to give me a meal plan and how to count calories and count carbs and things like that, but they did not explore some of the lifestyle issues that I get into. So with this young lady, what we were talking about was not just the foods, not just the fats, the proteins, and the carbohydrates, but what was she putting in her mind and what was important to her in her heart, what was feeding her spirit, what was nurturing her soul, what were the thoughts she was feeding her mind. And what I've seen with lots of my clients is that until you look at what are the thoughts and what are the goals that you have and the reasons for them, until you explore that relatively deeply, it doesn't matter what your fat, protein, and carbohydrate plan is. You're not going to reach your goals if your head and your heart are not congruent with your goals. If they're not congruent with each other and they're not congruent with your food choices, even if you're eating, quote, a healthy diet, you're not going to reach your goals. So see a holistic health counselor. See somebody like me. Go to my website. Go to nutrition-counseling.com and sign up for my newsletter. Get the free report that's there on simple ways, healthy lifestyle tips that you can use to start losing weight immediately. And it has a lot to do with your mindset and what's going on up here, not what you're putting in here. I hope that answers the question for you, and I hope to hear from you. That's Sally Galloway with the Center for Health and Harmony at nutrition-counseling.com. Thanks for stopping by.